Hiding in the corner. That's awesome.
Yeah, no, this thing's blowing me away.
You're getting shot at.
Had a shitty Uzi. Oh, he's on the roof next.
No, he got me. I tried to get in the helicopter.
Did you just fall to your death?
I was trying to get in the helicopter. I want to watch the kill cam on this.
You're the last one on your team. Finish the job.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Win here and you return to the front.
See, you guys dumped your clips into each other.
Fuck it, again, guys.
You need to practice. You and Corey are not good with hang.
At least from my perspective.
Possible. I was using a growl.
Oh, you
We killed each other.
Jesus. You both shot each other. He's almost dead again.
Is he on the outside of the building?
Fuck, there's two of them. Down one.
I'm ground floor.
They're on the second floor. Good job.
That's a flanking.
Alright, I gotta...
What do you hate me game?
I'm creeping.
He's gonna hear that either way.
Who knows what his volume's at?
No way.
How did he lose that? There was only one way into that room. There was literally no. I was down by the fire station. Whew, sniper.
He's gonna have to move positions because of gas eventually, to which I'll be safer.
Oh, epic. Hiding.
Okay, he's up there for sure.
Just slowly pull up behind him, light him up.
Vehicle incoming.
Wow. That was awesome. They ran into the train. No, it's trapped. Oh man! I looked him right in the eyes with the LMG.
He's just one dude. What an idiot. Good job.
He was just stuck.
Oh, akimbo shit.
There's no doors in here for me to fuck up. Oh yeah! I took 0 rounds, you see that?
Want to sell stuff? Yeah, whole team.
2 teams.
Ha!
Nice!
Okay.
Good job. Good
That
job.
was awesome. Do you know how many people you just killed?
No. There's one, there's
Okay,
two
there's
underneath.
2 on the roof.
There's one ping there. Corey, right below
Probably
you.
broken.
Right below you.
Yeah.
Okay, brush it. There you
I
go.
got him.
Okay,
Take
full
that, Mike, sick. You
kill.
visual?
Where's the other guy?
I think we got one guy inside.
Oh, I broke armor on a guy, but I never killed him.
Yeah, so there's people
Stole
inside.
his- Oh yeah.
Okay, shield them. Okay. That was awesome.
Oh my god, he's almost dead.
Hostile dropping in.
Fucking Bison, god damn it. Okay, there
You
we
guys.
go. Oh no. I don't know if there's any guns left
Yeah, I
on
got-
the roof, but
Broken armor on the guy in the field. So east.
Yeah, this Robert G.
Where Chris is.
I had to. I like how she's asking the exact same questions we've all asked.
She turned the volume off.
That's what I did.
That's what I did. I just walked away. Nice.
I'm gonna have to guard.
I took a-
really far away, and the sniper has taken shots.
I took a round in my back right when I rounded the corner.
Oh man, I'm clipping that. Try to snipe him.
I couldn't see him because he has cold-blooded on
Yeah.
my thermal, but I could see the smoke from his rifle
Okay, he's
round.
down.
Gotta get a kill. We'll confirm.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Okay, I'm taking the elevator up with dead silence. Damn it, it still makes the noise. And it doesn't go any faster. That sounds useless.
I was wondering about that. Oh no.
we're coming, but we're
down.
behind. Just stay alive.
Ah, I downed two of them.
I'm dead.
Get the third one.
No, no, no.
Get the third one.
Well done.
Get him, Corey. Okay, self-reviving right here. Self-reviving right here. Get him down. Fuck yeah. Corey, you saved the day.
He was got. That poor bastard. Oh, don't go by the helicopter. It's gonna explode.
No, it's half health.
Oh.
I'm gonna scout over.
I thought he managed to get inside. I'm like, that's good.
Chris should never get in a helicopter again.
Fucking trees.
I'm gonna scout him. Oh.
Fucking
Did you hit a
trees.
tree?
I hit a tree. I don't know.
He's dead. He's dead. Disregard.
If he's dead, someone killed him. Unless he finished his contract.
He's far left at this point. So I think we should probably.
I got two guys straight up ahead.
One of them.
I gotta record that shit. I threw my car at them.